Now, we're going to do a Drunkard Stance exercise. And in Drunkard Stance, you're lying on your back, like this. Okay, so it's a very simple exercise. What we're doing is we breathe in, bring the knee up, breathe out as you drop your knee over. Try and keep the shoulders on the floor, on the ground. Breathe in, and then breathe out like that. And we're going to do that on both sides. Okay, here we go. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. In, out, in, out. Once again, breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. Now, with the extension, it's going to be much the same, but this time we're dropping the knee right down onto the ground if we can, and at the same time you turn your head the opposite way. Natural breathing, remember. Don't hold the extreme position and feeling for the muscle changes. So really try to keep your shoulders on the ground. Okay, so here we go. Bringing the right knee up and then across, and then you're looking the opposite way. Drop it as far down as you can. And then back to the start position. And on the opposite side, left knee going to the right, look the opposite way. Natural breathing, feeling the muscle changes. You try and time all the movements together.